2 cents with Spence. Tips to get your product to market faster because 2 heads are better than 1.
Perhaps you've done some research and have done a whole lot of work on your product and you have a 3D computer model, a CAD file. Well, that's great. Not everybody has one. Some of our most successful customers have come to us initially with nothing more than a napkin sketch. They have a concept that needs to be fleshed out. One of our most successful medical customers who went on to build a multi-million-dollar company on the basis of one device took 2 caulking guns from Home Depot that he started with to develop his product. No matter how you slice it, the idea is that you need to get to us the overall concept of what you'd like to build. We have to be able to envision what you see. That means that in addition to the picture of the product, you need to enlighten us about what you have dreamed about in your product, the environment, where is it going to be, how is it going to work. No small detail is too little. You see, something that may be insignificant to you may have tremendous impact upon the manufacturing processes that we use or the steps we take to find the right material. So you have to transfer to us that information in order for us to be on your team, to get on your side, and to help deliver the best product possible.